What's going on, guys? So today I have my HDP50 Gen2. This has about 480 shots taken out of it with the stock detent. I'm not trying to break this, but I'm trying to snap the detent. It's proven to be, at least mine, it's proven to be much more reliable than the Generation 1 detents. So this is stock out the box. It's the 13 Joule version. It has the restrictor in the handle, and I'm going to put it on this tank. So there's the restrictor disc. This tank is about 30% full, so it's probably not going to be hitting super hard, but I'm just trying to work in the detent and see if it'll actually fail at some point, which has proven not to work. So to use that tank, I need this MCS tank adapter. The threads are different from the tank to this handle, so that's what this piece is for. I'm going to connect this up. I'm shooting all the large ball ammo that I have, big balls. So these are like 12.6 millimeters, and these are about 12.7 millimeters. These weigh 1.4 grams. They're from Amazon. They're from the Lambid company, and these are also from Amazon. They're just slingshot ammo. 12.7 millimeters. So it's like exactly half an inch. This is the stock barrel, so they do work in this. And these are 8.4 grams. So they're super heavy. I'm not going to use these. I just separated them from the orange ones. But these are T4E quick access balls. They're kind of small. They're like 12.5 millimeters. So they work really good on the TR50. But I'm trying to put a lot of wear and tear on this detent to actually finally break it. So I'll see what I do. I'll probably shoot it like 60 or 80 times and see what it does. And I'm just going to be target shooting this nasty looking zombie thing. And I'll do chronos on a couple of the shots, but then after that I'm just going to keep firing it. Alright, you guys, I got the orange balls in here. 1.4 grams, got the airline attached. CO2 is the source of power. And this is about 8 footsteps away from the target. So I'll just shoot this a couple times, get some chronograph readings, put it in the video. So I'm shooting for his nose. 430. 434. 434. 434. So pretty consistent right now. 436. Last shot. 432. Go check out that target. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly 6. I think there's 6 right here. 1, 2, 3 in a row, and then 1 up high, 2 up high, and 1 down here. So I'm pretty much aiming for here. I'm kind of moving my arm a little bit, so it's probably my fault. So I'm gonna reload this. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, I already did the chronograph, so I'm just gonna shoot this. I'll try rapid firing. That was 6 shots. That's new. This is new. That looks new. This is new. I think that's new. This is new. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nothing out here on the edges, so I'm gonna reload. I'm gonna switch this target. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, new target. Bowser up. Orange nylon balls. And I'm just gonna mag dump in one hand shot from right back here. So I'm still 24 feet away, 8 footsteps. Six shots. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. I may have missed one. I'll have to check this video over again, but I might have missed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, random. Or I hit it twice here. One of the two. I'm gonna reload. I'll be right back. All right. So far, I haven't had this follower guide gets stuck in the down position, and I've been loading it with 6 every time. So probably now that I mentioned that, it'll probably get stuck, but I'll see what I can do. I'll do two-handed aiming, more stable this time. Six shots. Lighting him up is his hand right here. I think I got another one up here. But yeah, I'm gonna switch out this target. I'll be right back. All right, you guys, new target. I'm keeping track of how many magazines I'm shooting. This is 6 rounds of the stainless steel. They're not stainless steel, they're just steel chrome ball bearings. Super cheap. You can get like 200 of them for like 15 bucks or something. Not sure what's going to happen with that price once the tariffs, if they kick in, what's going to happen with that. But I have like 300 of these things, 8.4 grams. I'll do the chronograph on a couple. I'm still 24 feet away, roughly 24 feet away. 208. So pretty sure this CO2 tank it is low pressure, and it's a cold day, so this would normally be hitting like 230 or 240 or higher slightly. 200. 196. 192. 192. 190. So that's not that fast, but it's most likely because my CO2 tank is getting low. Because I just shot this the other day. On a warm day with a CO2 12 gram, and it was getting like 224, 230 feet per second easily, consistently. So I am probably going to get this tank refilled on the weekend if I could shoot all the CO2 out of it. And yep, that's what's going on with that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I might have hit the same spot twice, not sure, but I'll be right back. All right, two-handed shooting, no chronograph, just steel balls, just like last time. That was 6 shots. I think I hit it every time. I don't think I missed. So I got ball bearings in here. I'll do a couple more mags of this, and then I'll switch back to the nylons. Alright, you guys, more ball bearing ammo, 6 rounds, new target, and I'll do like 1 chrono just to see if it's still getting about 190. That's as low as it was the previous time I checked it. So see what this does. 200. 194. It's still getting that same speed, which is fine. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm not sure if I'm missing or if it's like just kind of going over here. I'll look at the video, see if I could find out what's going on. Alright, you guys, more steel ball bearings. I'll probably switch back to the nylon balls after this. Six shots. Sometimes when I use those steel ball bearings, the trigger gets kind of hard to pull, and that's a mechanism inside. There's a little door that closes off the air channel and where rounds get loaded in. If you're familiar with the insides of this launcher, you probably know exactly what I'm talking about, but I'm going to switch out the target and get a new change to nylon rounds. Alright, you guys, back on the orange big balls, and got a new target, and I'm just gonna shut up and shoot. Alright, 2x zoom, see if I can do this one hand. I think I missed a couple shots. They were in the box, but they went over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I got 11 out of 12. Be right back. Alright, new target. We're currently at 60 shots so far on these detents, plus the like 480. So we're at about 540. Reloaded. Hand getting effed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Maybe one straight off inside the box somewhere. But these are just getting sunk in, and I'll be right back. Alright, you guys, I'll do 3 more mags and then end this. So this is the 50 cal nylon balls. I'm going to chrono this just to see if it's around 430 still. 420. 414. I think I hit the bullseye almost on that one. And yeah, I'm just going to dump on this thing. Alright, reloaded. Alright, last magazine. Alright, you guys, last target. This was 18 shots total. I think I hit this a few times. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I counted 14, but I may have hit this maybe 2 more times. So 16 out of 18 hit. I didn't count these. These were in the box. I didn't count them because I think it was like leftover from previous, shooting. Whenever I pause the video, I'm basically just going to the box, getting some of the rounds, setting up a new target, putting tape on the thing, and then throwing it back in the box and setting back up right here and hitting record on my phone. So that was fun. That was a total of 15 magazines and just doing tally marks. So 15 times 6 is 75, I think. Maybe. Yeah, I'll figure that out later. So you can add 480, which is how many shots has been on that detent. 480 plus 6 times 15. And I'm gonna degas this. I may shoot it a couple more times, make a random little short really quick, but that'll be it for this video. I'll probably use these in the short, and I'll see what that is right now. 6 times 15, no, it's 90. All right, so 480 plus 90. I'm at 570 shots on that detent, and it has no signs of breaking or anything so far. The detent is what holds the ball in the barrel, if you're unfamiliar. My first generation ones, both of them broke within like 100 shots of shooting it, so big improvement on the Gen 2. And yeah, thanks for checking this one out, and see you guys next time.